Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to all of us. The year 2020 has passed and we are now on the year 2021. Still alive, thank God. Breathing, kicking, and doing what we love. So that is already something that we have to be thankful for. It is a blessing from above that after all, those challenges on the year 2020, we are still here. So without further ado, let's proceed to the video. By the way, this is me again, Dana, your Millennial Mom PH. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I will be sharing to you bag care, 10 cleaning and storing tips for your lovely bags. So, if you're interested, please keep on watching. So number 1 is to give your lovely bags a nice and practical storage. May it be a rack or a bookshelf to hold your bags. Number 2 is to arrange your bags in the storage based on your style and personality. Number 3 is to position your bags in a cool and dry place to avoid moist. If possible, do not throw this silica gel as it helps absorb moist in your bags. Number 4 is to keep all your bags away from direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can damage the leather, the material, and also the color of your bags, and we don't want that. Number 5 is to clean our bags using soft cloth or a baby wipes. As much as possible, do not soak your bags in water. Some bags or some materials of the bags, when soaked with water, they deteriorate. So as much as possible, do not wash your bags and soak it with water. Only with clean cloth, soft cloth, or a baby wipes, that would be okay. Number 6, in your storage area, dust them or clean them once a week or once every 2 weeks. Or you may also put it inside its dust bag. In my case, I do not put it inside the dust bag. I just put them openly in the storage area and I clean them or dust them once a week or once every 2 weeks. Number 7 is to rotate the use of your bag. You bought them, someone bought them for you, so don't just keep them in the shelves or in your storage area. Use them. In my case, I rotate my bag once every 2 weeks, and if I really love the bag, I use it for a maximum of 1 month. So after that, I let them rest and use another bag. Number 8 is, when using your bag, do not overload them. An overloaded bag won't just harm our shoulders or our back, it can also cause damage or breakage to the handles of our bags. Number 9, second to the last one, is to empty your bags every after use. Make sure that all your personal belongings were taken out from your bag, from the pockets to the main compartment before you store them back in your storage. Number 10, or the last but not the least, is to stuff your bag with fillers. Let me show you what a filler is. This is one of my office bag. So, I will show you the fillers that I use. Like this one, this is just a paper, a plain paper, and I use them to stuff or to fill my bag. The purpose of filler or stuffer is to maintain the shape of your bag. Okay, so this like this one. Okay. Okay, so nilagyan ko siya ng fillers para ma-maintain yung shape ng bag. Let me close it. This is the bag that I used for the month of December. So this is January na. So I had it emptied and I will store it back to my storage area. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from this video on how to care for your bags in terms of cleaning and storing. These tips that I mentioned a while back were personally practiced by me with my own personal bag collection. And if you can see, based on my past videos about bags, I do really take care of my bags for them to last long, especially those that are given to me as gifts, and especially those that are good quality bags, leather bags from my favorite brand or brands. So if you learned something from this video, please click like and subscribe buttons down below, and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye. Happy New Year to all of us.
피냐콜라다 알코올 sipping 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 오 네 모습에 나는 tripping